Is your door making noise because of a small gap? Here's a fix that costs almost nothing. That tiny gap between the door and frame causes vibration and noise. And all you need to fix it is paper. Paper fills the empty space and stops the door from shaking. Close the door and press gently. If it moves or rattles, there's a gap. Use a flashlight to find exactly where the gap is. Cut regular paper into small strips. Fold each strip to adjust thickness. Thicker folds work for larger gaps. Open the door slightly. Place the folded paper where the gap exists. Close the door and let it compress the paper. The paper fills the space and reduces movement. Turn on your fan or AC to test. The noise should now be reduced or gone. If it still rattles, add another fold. Use a thicker strip for bigger gaps. Test again after each adjustment. The latch side is the most common gap area. Sometimes the hinge side also needs filling. Use paper that matches your door color. Trim excess paper so it stays hidden. This works best for small gaps. For larger gaps, weather stripping may be better, but paper is perfect for a quick temporary fix. Air pressure changes cause loose doors to vibrate. Even a tiny gap can create noise. Paper acts like a soft cushion. This fix costs almost nothing, and you don't need tools. It takes less than a minute. Find the gap, fold paper, insert, test. Small adjustment, big difference. No more rattling. The door stays firmly in place. For longer use, you can tape it lightly. Keep it neat and hidden. A quiet door makes your room more peaceful. Follow for more simple home hacks.